How to fix the menu button not working on your Samsung phone. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Samsung menu button if it's not working. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's jump in. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Now tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to go into Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find General Management. Go ahead and tap that. Next, scroll down again and tap on Reset. Here you'll see a few reset options, but for this issue, we're going to tap on Reset All Settings. Now don't worry, this won't delete your data like photos or apps. It just resets things like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and preferences. Go ahead and tap Reset Settings, then enter your PIN or password if prompted, and confirm it. Once your phone resets, check if the menu button is now working again. If it's still not responding, no worries, we've got one more thing to try. Head back to the main settings screen, then scroll down, and tap on Display. In the display settings, scroll down and find Navigation Bar. Tap on that. Make sure Buttons is selected as your navigation style. Then tap on More Options to customize the button layout. You can try switching the button order or even toggle to swipe gestures instead of buttons. Sometimes switching modes or rearranging the buttons helps bring back full functionality. And that's how you can fix the menu button not working on your Samsung phone. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.